There, I am Yvonne de Celis. It is Friday and it's 5:30 p.m. It is January 11th, 2019. And again, 5:30 p.m. and I'm just here to show you a couple of quick energy medicine exercises you can do if you're feeling kind of dragged out and you're just tired and you want to wake yourself up or just give yourself a little boost of energy. These are just a few quick things you can do that may or may not help you. I hope that they do. I'm just showing you things that I've done that have worked for me. One thing is tapping your K27 points or massaging your K27 points. The way you reach your K27s is by tracing your collarbone all the way to the front, right where the points of your collarbone almost meet. You'll find little points right here. Right underneath the point, just a little ways down from the point, you'll feel a little indent. You should feel it on either side. Most people have little indentations or little soft spots here. These soft spots are your K27 points. So tapping that or massaging that can give you a little boost of energy. Another thing is part of Donna Eden's 31-day eye challenge. She has an energy medicine eye challenge going on. I am not a student of Donna Eden. I wish I was. I'm actually training at the Academy for Energy Medicine with Ataya Lee, who I absolutely love, love, love Ataya. But I love Donna Eden too, and I learned this one. I want to show you this. You just put one index finger across your eye, and you just tap across. Right across to where the eye is. You don't actually tap the eyelid itself. You just tap the finger across, and you'll lightly feel it underneath. So then you close the other eye, do that one as well. The reason this works is it helps bring energy to the back of your head, to the back of your eyes. One woman actually said she liked to think of this as giving her brain Morse code, this tapping. And what I basically do when I'm doing this, I give myself little mental affirmations that I am going to wake up. I'm going to wake up and be more alert. And that my eyes are going to become more awake when I do this. So that's what you can give yourself, and you can either say that aloud or you can think it to yourself. So that's another good one. And then lastly, pardon me while I move one of my headphones out of the way, is just tug your earlobes just out, no particular direction. Just grab them and just tug, pinch, and pull all the way around, and then move to the other ear. So do both ears. You can do them both at the same time. You can pull. I can't do that right now because I have the headphones on, but just pull all the way around the ears. And then the last thing you can do is also do little pinches on your eyelids. Very, very little pinches that you barely feel. Just light pinches on the eyelids. And one other good eye exercise is to just make rotations counterclockwise and clockwise. So look up, to the side, down to the other side, and just look around, make the circles, and then switch and go into the other direction. So go from clockwise to counterclockwise. So again, it's to the sides, down, side, up. And just do those in both directions. Those are good energy exercises you can do with your eyes. Just eye rolls can help wake you up, and again, it can help get the energy moving. The other thing is to do the figure eights. You can just trace little figure eights across. That gets the energy moving, circulating more. So that's another good eye exercise you can do. So anyway, those are just some quick exercises I want to show you. Please leave comments down below. Let me know if that works for you. I hope it does. Also, let me know if you have any energy medicine viewing requests. I will try to put that up for you as well, and if I am available, I'll respond to your comment. So as always, namaste. Thank you so much for coming here, and I will be putting a new video up again in a few days. Thanks so much. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.